Welcome to OneSearch. This is tip number 5. So let's say you want to narrow your search. You want to refine it because you have some information or you're only interested in something very specific. You can do that by going to the advanced search on the OneSearch page. And it will bring up a way for you to refine your search. So what you see here is you can go down here, and let's say you know an author and you want to look up something by the author. So you click on any field and you have the option of maybe you know the title, we know the author, we're going to try that, the subject area, or the ISBN information. We're interested in an author, and we have the option of looking up something that contains the author's name or is exactly how we put the author's name, or perhaps just starts with. We're going to put Hemingway here and just have it that it contains. Next we can go down here and we could make sure that it includes perhaps words that we're interested in, titles that we're interested in, but we're going to pick a subject matter. We want to make sure we look up records or retrieve records that contain a certain subject area. So we'll leave it at and then here, instead of title or author, we'll pick subject, and we're just going to leave it as contains, and we're going to put Spain. Now we could add a new line, and maybe what we want to do is exclude something. So we want to look up records that have Hemingway in them, have Spain in it as a subject area, and Hemingway as the author. But let's say as a subject area, we don't want it to include. We want to exclude as irrelevant or an unwanted exactly, let's say, snow. Don't know if that matters, but we'll try that. Now what we can do over here is be more precise, more selective about what kinds of records we're interested in retrieving. Right now it's set for all items at the San Jose State Collections. But maybe we just want to look up books by Hemingway as the author. And if we know the year, we could put it in. I don't know a year to put in, so we'll just leave that in year. But you could, for example, look up things that were published just within the last year or 2 or 5. We're going to leave it this way for now. You could go back even 20 years, but we'll leave it right now as any year. But maybe we're interested in things not just at San Jose State, but we want to search the entire California State University collection. So let's do that. And we'll pick that. And now what you can see is down here, you can see how we have refined our search. The author contributor contains the keyword or the term Hemingway, the name Hemingway, and the subject contains Spain. The subject does not contain snow, okay? We don't want that in the subject area. Click search. I think it already did a search actually. So we can see what we have here. Men Without Women, For Whom the Bell Tolls, The Sun Also Rises. Okay, these are all books by Hemingway. We got 52 results and not, for example, thousands and thousands because we've narrowed our search pretty specifically. And presumably there isn't snow in the subject area. Okay, so you could start over again. You could add another line. You could change your mind and decide what you're really interested in is audio-visual materials. In any case, there's a lot of ways you can play with this. It doesn't have to be by author. You could do something else. But as you can see, you can begin to refine your search pretty precisely with this advanced search feature on OneSearch. I hope that helps. Thanks a lot.